Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Windows 11 DNS settings for secure web. First, click on the Start menu located in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Settings in the search bar and press Enter. In the Settings window, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. Choose either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, depending on your connection type. If you are using Wi-Fi, click on your connected network name. For Ethernet, click on Properties under the Ethernet option. Scroll down to find DNS Server Assignment. Click on Edit next to it. A pop-up window will appear with a drop-down menu. Select Manual from the drop-down options. Enable IPv4 by toggling the switch to on. Now, enter your preferred DNS server address in the first field. For example, you might use 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare DNS. In the second field, you can enter a secondary DNS like 8.8.8.8 for Google DNS. Make sure to toggle on IPv6 if necessary. Enter your preferred IPv6 DNS addresses if you decide to use this option. After entering the DNS addresses, click Save. Close the settings window. Open your command prompt by pressing the Windows key and typing CMD or right-click on command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Wait for the confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache has been flushed. This confirms that your DNS changes are now in effect. To test your settings, open a web browser and visit a secure website. Verify that the connection is secure and loads correctly. Congratulations, you have successfully configured your Windows 11 DNS settings for secure web access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.